Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I got this on yesterday, Black Friday, and I just figured why not just make a little video. It's not going to be edited or anything. This is just going to be a straightforward video of me opening up this combo pack that I got at Home Depot of the Ridgid line. It comes with 5 different tools: Sawzall, the regular circular blade saw, hammer drill, drill driver, and the light. And when you bought this pack, which it was on sale, I also could pick from a bunch of different other stuff. I got the 1/2-inch impact, and I got the extra batteries because you can't have enough batteries, and they're the 4 amp hour batteries, so it'll be able to run some of the other stuff a little bit longer, which I'll need. It comes in handy when you're running something like the circular saw or the Sawzall or the 1/2-inch. I already have a couple of Ridgid stuff that I got a while back, and I love it. So when I saw this, I couldn't pass it up because I just wanted a double of the drills and the impact, the driver, so I can use them up in the house and down in the garage. But yeah, so let's check out and see what's inside the box. It's all inside a bag in the box. Every time I bought one, it came with a bag, which I have one of them sitting down here that I got with the drill combo that I got before. Let's open this up. There's the zipper coordinates. Oh boy. Okay, so first thing on top, I got a blade for the circular saw. This is the circular saw. Here's the saw. Circular saw, which I like cordless stuff because you don't have to get out the extension cord, running across the shop floor, watch for it whenever you're cutting. So I always wanted one of these. Just makes everything a little bit more simpler. Put that to the side. Put the blade to the side. This pack comes with also 2 4 batteries also. I have 2s with my other one, which work fine for the drills, for the other driver tool, but it's nice having some 4s, which this one comes with 2 of them, I believe. See if I can find the other one. There's the other one. So it's nice with this kit that I got altogether 4 4s. So should be having some good power. Everything's packaged in here pretty nice too. Here's a drill. Got the drill. Handle for the drill, because I believe it is a hammer drill. Yep. Has an option on the side, hammer drill. So that's nice. It's a little bit more powerful than their standard drill that they have, which I have one of those too. And I feel like this one dies a little quicker for some reason than that one. So I always use my version of that one that I have, my older one. Battery charger. Let's see. Flashlight, which will be pretty cool to have. Just a little bonus that comes with it. It looks like it's got a single LED light. Let's plug it into one of my, this is one of my 2s that are charged already, so. Yeah, it's not too bad. Down side. Here's the driver tool, which if you do a lot of woodwork, or in my case, I use it for restoration stuff. I do restorations on classic Mustangs, 65 to 73 Mustangs. And there's lots of screws, lots of little, if you have 1/4 inch stuff, I have a 1/4 inch adapter for sockets. It just pops right in and run out 1/2 inch bolts. Lots of small bolts, because that's what most of these cars are put together with, and just whips them right out. It saves a lot of time, cuts down on a lot of time wasted. And the last thing in here is a Sawzall, which is something that I also really wanted this pack for, because I do use the Sawzall a good bit, and it's, like I said before, it's a bonus to not have to use a cord dragging across. So I'm excited about that one. Just give it a rip. Lock and unlock button. Oh yeah. That's it for the bag. That's the main kit. The rest is just cardboard boxes that they had in between. And then you get a nice bag in the end. Now we got the 1/2 inch torque wrench, which I really wanted just because if you're going outside or something like that, for me, cars, to blast off some lug nuts. You don't have to run the airline outside to get out the airline, undo that reel. So if I just want to undo a couple bolts, it just makes sense to have something like this. Yeah, that'll definitely come in handy. And I like the design on all their stuff. It's real neat looking, just clean. Fits in your hand real good. The rubbers are real nice and soft, so it just feels good overall. But that's no battery with that one because it's an extension onto that pack. So that's why I got the extra 2 4s. So yeah, that's a quick review on what you get with that 5 combo pack. And on the Black Friday sale, you got them 2 extra. The sale's probably still going on. So if you're in the market for any of these Ridgid tools, I definitely approve of them. And all of them have lights attached to it, which I just noticed on the end of this impact. It's got 3 LED lights on it, which is nice if you're in a dark area. I like them on the drills, which they have them on the bottom. Actually, that one don't have it on it. My old one does. It's on the bottom of the drill. It shines up right where you're drilling at. But yeah, so I got a drill, 1/2 inch impact, 2 4s, a light, circular saw, Sawzall, driver, and it comes with a blade and 1 Sawzall blade, so you're ready to go right out of the pack. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos if you're into any of the automotive stuff. Mustangs, fastbacks, like I said, 65 to 73. I have a 2017 Mustang that's wrecked that I'm working on. I don't know why, I just felt like doing a quick little video on this today, so hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.